सर्वमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय।
Participants of IASK to the IASK Diksha Learning Series, Clinical Insights on Principles and Practice of Basti, Day 2 session. Knowledge is the only instrument of production, that is, knowledge is the only instrument of production that is not subject to diminishing returns. It is a quote by John Morris Clark. It says, Jnana or knowledge is the instrument of production where there are no returns. As we had a very enlightening session yesterday about the basics of Basti, I once again heartily welcome Dr. L. Mahadevan sir today for the Day 2 session on Principles and Practice of Basti. Pranam sir, yesterday's session was a bright light in a dark room for most of us and even to the budding Vaidyas. It was a great motivational spirit to do Basti in our day-to-day practice. We had many positive responses and positive feedback so that everyone were excited to learn more about your approach towards Basti. And I personally feel that, sir, the way you teach about the basics of Basti was tremendous and unique. I request Dr. Devi Priya to welcome Dr. L. Mahadevan, sir.
Good evening. I am very glad to convey a warm welcome to all the participants of Shiksha Ayurveda for the second day of first class series by Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, MD Director of Sri Sarada Ayurvedic Hospital, Associate Professor, Pankaja Kasturi Ayurveda College. I am very happy to convey a special welcome to Manasika Guru of most of the Ayurvedic students, doctors, and even non-Ayurvedic people. You are really a lamplight for most of the doctors, students in Ayurvedic community, sir. All your speeches are energy drink for us. I think I am blessed to welcome you, sir. Announcement. Participants are requested to sign in with your name and register number given, or else you are supposed to remove from our meeting. Also, we are requesting you to mute your microphone to avoid disturbances. Now, I hand over the session to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Standard Vasti, Nirugha Vasti is actually 1.2 liters, that is Dwadasha Prasridam. And there are certain Prasrida Yogiga Vastis, Prasridam is 100 ml. We have to do as it is. When you take Madhudailiga Vasti, that is Padahinam, Kal Koravu. So 900 ml. Matra Vasti can vary from 50 to 100 ml. So actually speaking, the Uttama Matra of Snegavasti is 6 palas, that is 300 ml. The Madhyama Matra of Snegavasti is 150 ml. The Hina Matra of Snegavasti is 75 ml. The Hina Matra of Snegavasti is called Matravasti. Matravasti can be done from birth to death. The Ashtanga Sankaraka says there are only 2 contraindications for Matravasti. Matravasti, the contraindication is, one is Divaswapnam, another one is Ajirnam.
Okay. 25. Okay.
Many people, Snegavasti Uttama Matra is 300 ml, Madhyama Matra is 150 ml, Matravasti is 75 ml. And the word Snegavasti, Anuvasanavasti, they are used interchangeably. So, many people do not add Kalka to Snegavasti. I use the word Snegavasti. Actually, you should use Kalka because to remove the ama present in the oil, you should use Kalka. Maximum 6 grams, minimum 4 grams, medium 4 grams, minimum 2 grams you have to use. So suppose you are giving Pipalyadi Anuvasanam in Udavartam, spastic colon, you can add Vaishwanara Churnam or Hinkavajadi Churnam as Kalkam. Nalla arachi. After eating the lunch, Sushruta says, when the hands are wet, that means within 3 minutes, you have to do Anuvasana. After Anuvasana, the peristaltic movement starts. So the Chala Gunam of colon starts. So the Snegam will be handling the Pratyatma Niyada Gunam of Vayu, that is the Chala Gunam of Vayu. So Snegavasti is given after food. When we give Nirugavasti, Nirugavasti is given in empty stomach. Madhyane Susruta, that is from 11 to 1. Madhyane Kinchidavarte Vagpada, 11:30. And it is given in empty stomach. Because once you give Nirugavasti, there will be peristaltic movement and the Vasti will be working against that and it will be a problem. So they may get a shock-like feature. So that is the reason why. And moreover, Kashaya Vasti is a hypertonic solution. Snegavasti is a hypotonic solution. The mode of action of both the things are different. How they bypass the portal circulation and all, we will be seeing. Now, contraindications of Anuvasana. What are all the contraindications of Anuvasana? Indigestion spectrum, Kapham and Amam. Piles and fissures which affect insertion of nozzle. So this is a general rule, but when there is Raktarshas, Pichavasti is mentioned. When there is Udavartam in Arshas, Pipalyadi Anuvasanam is mentioned. So edema and edema, Shopham, anemia, renal disease, cardiac disease, liver disease. Vasti is not given usually. Pandu Snegavanam plays a major role. In renal disease, what happens actually, once you get an elevated urea and creatinine, they are considered as malam of Rasadadu. They are called Malasanjayam in Ayurveda. Malasanjayam. So, Pittam is malam, Kapham is malam, Vadam is Amurtam. It is not a malam. Pittam is Snigdam, Kapham is Snigdam. The malam is Snigdarupa Dravyam. That is fat soluble endotoxin. So what happens? you will be giving Madhura Rasa Pradhanya, Gokshura, Sadavari, Bala, coconut water, etc. So Kapham will be increased, Kledam will be increased, Mutram will be increased. Already the patient is unable to send the urine outside. You are producing more urine. Moreover, Madhuram is contraindicated in Snega Utkrishta Avastha. So in renal failure, you have to, already the patient is unable to pass urine. So one margam is affected. You will be selecting another margam. That is why Nityameva Virechaye, Devuride Virejana. That is why in Udara Chikitsa, after 5th, 6th sloka, you see Narayana Churnam with various Anubana. So in renal disease, you will be giving Tiktarasa Puduchya Dikashayam, Ajadipada Churnam, Bunimba Mahaushada Prayogam. But in renal disease, when creatinine is high and when urea is high, in Thiruvananthapuram Panchakarma Center, they have done a research work with Rukshavasti. Rukshavasti is mentioned in Charaka Samhita, Siddhisthanam, 10th chapter, Chakrapani commentary. The exact yogam nobody is using. They give 600 ml of Amrudottara Vrishayam with 1 teaspoon of Shadadaranam. They mix and they give by 9:30 or 10 o'clock with lukewarm temperature, and urea and creatinine actually comes down. The only problem is after a few days it rises. So it is effective, the effect is not permanent. In liver diseases also, Nadi Snigdhan Virejaye. So Snigdhan little bit is okay. Padala Muradi and all we will be giving. In Navat Jora, Vamanam is indicated. Vasti is not indicated. Vasti comes in the later phase. Skin disease, yesterday I told you, Avastam Prapya Nirdishtam. Kushtinam Vasti Karmaja. Kushtinam Vasti Karmaja. When avastas are demanding, you can do Vasti in Kushta Chikitsa, namely Panchadikta Vasti of Saraga with Sarshaba Kalkam. And diabetes. Diabetes, Pramegam is a very broad spectrum of disease. Kshautramegam, Madhumegam, it comes in the end. Only in Sandarpana Megam, we are getting this. Surasadi Ganavasti, Nekrodadi Ganavasti, Padmagadi Ganavasti. First, this Negavanam starts with Sarshabadailam, Nigumbadailam, Akshadailam, Dandidailam, Nimbadailam, all these things. And then Vasti Vamana Virejana. Then Vasti is told. First itself, Surasadi Ganavasti, Nirugam is told in Pramega. Then Urustambam. Urustambam is a very peculiar disease. Our audience should know what is Urustamba. You see, the man is losing the power of the legs. He is unable to use the legs. And sound on the dairy. And he is unable to use the leg. What happened? Acharyas are telling, they are advising swimming. Swimming against the current of water. That means there is recovery. If the power is 0, they cannot swim. The power is 3+. That is why swimming is advised as a treatment. But what is important in Urustambam, whenever you get a paraplegia, 3 things are very important in neurology. One is erectile dysfunction. Second is bladder incontinence. Third is fecal matter incontinence. But in our Urustamba, erectile dysfunction is not mentioned. Urinary incontinence is not mentioned. Fecal incontinence is not mentioned. So what they are telling? They are talking about Jwaram, Chardi and all. So in Urustambam, Jwaram is important. That means it is a post-infective demyelination with spontaneous recovery. Urustambam is not disc prolapse. Urustambam is not cauda equina. Urustambam is not thromboangiitis obliterans. Urustambam is not deep vein thrombosis. Urustambam is not femoral artery occlusion because the treatment is ruksha, vadam, pittam, kafam, amam, medas, siddhitai. So we will be giving ruksham, udvartanam, gadam. So hard, dry udvartana followed by Sakajaradi Kashayam, Vaishwanara Churnam, Ingavajadi Churnam, Shaddaranam, Pipalyasavam, Gomutra Haridegi, Gomutra Vasti, Saindavadi Dailam, Ashtakatvara Dailam, etc. So, all these things are very, very important in practice. Ascites also, Vasti is not, nobody will, while you are thirsty, you will not ask for a fountain pen. So ascites, usually ascites are nothing but various stages of portal hypertension actually. Vada udaram denotes right heart failure, Pitta udaram mimic like peritonitis, Kapha udaram mimic like cryptogenic cirrhosis, Parisraya udaram intestinal perforation, and Baddha Gudodaram intestinal obstruction. Here you have various forms of pathology producing ascites. So we have studied that in certain condition, Urustambam, the Sakajaradi I have told. Why did I tell Sakajaradi? Everybody in Tamil Nadu, everybody in India write a Kashayam for Vada Vyadi, as if it is a ritual. Rasnadi Kashayam, Yogaraja Gugulu, Dhanmantaradayadam Nudyoravarti, Prabhajanam, even I am doing. But Kashayas are not at all mentioned in Vadavyadi. Kashayas are not at all mentioned in Vadavyadi. What is Kashaya? Ka means Kaya, Sha means destruction, Ya means Yama, the disease. So the only one Kashaya mentioned in Vada Vyadi is Sakajaradi. Sakajaradi, where did they mention? They mention in Urustamba. Urustambam is not a Kevala Vada Vyadi, it is a Avarana Vyadi. So in Kevala Vada Vyadi, Kashayas are not mentioned. Oh, which is the first Kashaya mentioned in Ayurveda for Vada Vyadi? Bhadradarvadi. Where is Bhadradarvadi mentioned? Susrudam Akshevaka Prakaranam. What is the significance of Bhadradarvadi? Whenever you select a drug, you should be able to tell Dosha Pratinigam, Vyadi Pratinigam, Ubaya Pratinigam, Mukhya Dravya Visheshatvam, Sthana Visheshatvam, and Prakarana Visheshatvam. In Bhadradarvadi and Ashtavargam, the Sthanam is not mentioned. Rasana Saptagam, Trikasthanam is mentioned. Rasana Panjagam, Dadagada Vadam is mentioned. But in Bhadradarvadi, Bhadradaru Nadam Gushtam Dasamulam Baladayam, in Ashtavargam, Balasakadara Yeranda Sundidasana Sarodrumam, Sasinduvara Rasuna, Ashtavargo Anila Bhaha. So Sthanam is not mentioned. So it is Sarvadega Visheshatvam. That is why they are given in Urustamba. Now, according to Kashyapa, we can give Anuvasana Vasti up to 3 years 50 ml, up to 5 years 50 to 60 ml, up to 11 years 100 ml, up to 15 years 200 ml, up to 400 ml we can give in the age of 16 as per text. But even 300 ml, the Uttama Matra of Anuvasanam, nobody is practicing. If you give 300 ml, then only it will be effective in, suppose you are giving Mahadiktaka Gridam 300 ml in ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, then it will be effective. Vadasthana, Pitta Vritti, that is Crohn's disease, large intestine is Vadasthanam, Vranam is Pitta Vritti, so it is Vada Pitta Avastha. In Vada Pitta, Madhura Rasam is selected. Madhura Rasam, Vranarobanam. What is Madhura Rasam, Vranarobanam? Gridam. Thailam is Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Vavai. So can you give Thailavasti in Crohn's disease? No. What can you give? You can give Gridavasti. So if you give 300 ml, then only it will go up to ileocecal wall. If the lesion is in the ileocecal wall, what is the difference between ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease? If large intestine alone is affected, that is ulcerative colitis. When whole costa is affected, that is Crohn's disease. Now, Anuvasanavasti, practically in our hospital, up to 3 years 30 ml, up to 8 years 50 ml, and up to 13 years 60 ml it is given. Now you see this small infantile vasti. There is a cap, you can remove that. You can squeeze it, keep it in Dhanvantara Dailam and take it. Automatically it will fill, and you can inject in the left lateral position, squeeze it, put it in hot water, and the same thing you can use for the same child. This contains exactly 200 ml, so the dosage problem will not come. If you keep like this, automatically it will be filled, and you will be able to inject and apply. So Astavanavasti, Nirugavasti for children is 400 ml. Makshigam, Lavanam, Snegam, Kalkam, Kashayam, then Avavatravyam. Makshigam is added, honey, Kafachedanam, honey contains glucose, it will prevent hypoglycemia. Lavanam contains 94 ingredients and chemicals. Lavanam increases the action potential of the Vasti. Thailam is Vada Kafagaram, it is Avaranagnam. Thailam and Makshigam produces emulsion. Then Kalkam acts as a buffer. Kashayam gives the volume. Dhanyamram increases the Lekana Guna. Added protein value is given by Mamsarasam. So this is the principle behind Vasti. Niruga Vasti you can give up to the age of 10. In Still's disease, it will be useful. In Still's disease, that is young rheumatoid arthritis, juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, you have to do Vasti, because Nahi Vasti Samam Kinjit Vadarakta Chikitsidam. So according to Kashyapam is amazing in certain areas. And Vaggasenam is also a very interesting text. We are giving Snegavana today 25 ml, next day 50 ml, next day 75 ml, next day 100 ml. Who told this? Is there any reference in Charaka Samhita? Is there any reference in Susruta? Is there any reference in Vagbada? But in Vangasena, in Balladagrada, this Kramavriddhi Snehanam reference is there. From that only it is coming. So now we have to ask this question, whether Vasti Dravya can be, whether you can give simple Dravya, simple Thailam itself, or simple Gridam itself, or a medicated Grida. So Dalgana says, Samskridam va, Asamskridam va. Moreover, Asamskridam tu Sarvada Viruddhameva. Chakrabani says that without Agni Samskara, without Murchana, these things are contraindicated. Moreover, Acharya says, Mridurnasye Kare Apyange Vastau Panau tu Chikkanaga. What does it mean? It is heated. So, whether you give plain ghee, but in Charaka Samhita, Siddhi Kalpasthanam, they have mentioned single drug Thailas. Bilva Thailam, they have mentioned Yashti Madhu Thailam, they have mentioned Madhanabala Thailam, they have mentioned single drug therapy. Most of the, now you see this oil processed with Bilva Sadakwa, Vadasamanam, oil processed with Yashti Madhu, Vitasamanam. Coconut oil is given in solitary rectal ulcer syndrome in our hospital, but there is no reference about coconut oil enema in the text. The reference about coconut oil is minimal in the text, because coconut oil is more common in Kerala. This North Indian text, they give more importance to Sarshapatailam, Yerandadailam, Nigumbadailam, and Tiladailam, etc. Anuvasanavasti, suppose in summer 7 o'clock you give the food, 7:05, 7:10 you give the Anuvasanam. Anuvasanam can be given in Sharad Rudu, Grishma Rudu and in Varsha Rudu. We practice it in our hospital. Person suitable for Anuvasana, Adi Ruksham and Adyagni. In Adyagni and Krura Koshtam, you don't go for Virejana, you go for Snegavasti. Pipalyadi Dairam with Vaishwanara Churnam, you give this. Because what is Krura Koshta? Krura Koshta is not Vada, it is Vada Kapha. Vada Pittabhyam, Pitta Kaphabhyam, Sannivadabhyam, Mrudu. Bahuvada Sleshmabhyam Kruraha. Susruta says, and in Aranadatta commentary also you can see that Bahuvada Sleshmabhyam. The Vada Kapha Sambandha is the Krura Koshta. So Thaila Vasti is indicated in that condition. Now, Vakpada and Ashtanga Sankaraga says, time taken for squeezing is 30 matras. Practically, it will take 1 minute. Many persons will tell, once you give Vasti, they ask the person to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once they insert the Vasti, unfortunately, if the heat is little high, they press. When they, because of the heat and pressure, the person gets some uncomfort feeling and they will start shouting, and in a fast way they will be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will give a negative feedback to the doctor. He will give more pressure and more press, which will become the Pidana dosha. So ask him to inhale and exhale through mouth. That is enough, and you squeeze slowly. You insert the Vastinetra along towards the vertebral column, then there will not be any problem. It will take one minute to squeeze the whole content. Then after the Snegavasti, you pat the buttocks, stroke the toes, soles and then heels. Raise the leg up to 45 degrees from the cot 2-3 times. What does it indicate? To circulate the Snegadravya towards the ileocecal wall and to produce the duration, extend the duration of retention. So you are doing all these, patting the buttocks, touching the feet, stroking the toes, massaging the sole, raising the leg. All these things are done for Snegavasti. After Nirugavasti, do not touch the patient. After Nirugavasti, don't do all these things. Do not touch the patient. No pramanam is available after Nirugavasti. Let him go to the toilet. Bath, food, chala, sesha, dosha, nivritti. So residual circulating doshas are back to normalcy by bath and kshira or rasayukta bhojanam, mamsa rasayukta bhojanam. If he is vegetarian, kanji with payari or vegetarian meal. In Ayurveda college, they give meals only. A thick towel can be kept below the hip, again optional. If it produces lumbar extension, it can produce pain. So it is optional. If there is pain in the abdomen, apply oil over umbilicus and do massage in the anti-clockwise direction. Light diet is given in the evening. If the Vasti Dravyas doesn't come out, then no enema should be given on the next day. Palavarti, Madana Palavarti, suppository and Aranala Vasti and Svedana should be done if Snegavasti is not coming out. This is told by Vangasena. This Aranala Vasti and Svedana is told by Vangasena. Vangasena is a wonderful book, I tell you. When I was studying MD, I was not even aware of Siddhayoga Sankaraga and Vangasena. Now I read it almost every day. Sundi Dhanyaga Panam has to be given. Ushna Panam, Ushna Jalam I remember a story when my guru, Dr. B. Vaidyanathan, sir, night 2 o'clock, he had chest pain, angina. Sir doesn't use modern medicines, He doesn't even check BP. Because Ayurveda Kalanidhi, old tradition. So night, I and another student were there. Sir enna பண்ணினார், நெஞ்சு வலியினவன தன்வந்தர குளிகை எடுத்துட்டு வர சொன்னார். இப்போ இவன் ஒரு 4 தன்வந்தர குளிகையை கொடுத்து பைப்பில் இருந்து தண்ணியை பிடிச்சு சார் கையில கொடுத்தான். சார் அதை குடிச்சிட்டார். பைப்பில் இருந்து வாஷ் பேசின் பைப்பில் இருந்து. இவன் நினைச்சான் ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வந்து ஏதாவது ஆயிரப்படாதேன்னு சொல்லி இந்த தண்ணி எடுத்து குடிச்சான். அவர் 2-3 ஏப்பம் விட்டு முடிஞ்சவொன்னு அவன்கிட்ட இவர் கோவப்பட்டு ரொம்ப கோவப்பட்டார். அவன்கிட்ட எதுக்கு கோவப்பட்டார்னா, இப்போ வாத கஃப ஆவரணம், ஹிருத்ரோகம் இஸ் a gulma disease. It's the manifestation of gulma. It is vada kapha. Vadam is sheedam, kapham is sheedam. You have to give ushna jalam. Ushna jalam is the having the property prananam avalambanam. So he asked us to bring Ashtanga Hridaya to read the qualities of ushna jala. At the same time, I still remember 25 to 30 years before, he told Janavadodamsam ushna jalam is told. Now COVID Janavadodamsam is there. In Charaka Samhita, Janavadodamsam ushna jalam in Jwaraga is told. Here it is told like that. So probably some people may tell, bind பண்ணும்போது மாத்தி bind பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அப்படி அல்ல இது அர்த்தம். Today hot water plays a major role in COVID. Why did they tell it in Janavadodamsa? Chakradatta says the patient should lie down for 100 matras after Snegavasti. That is 2 to 3 minutes and 1 minute for Nirugavasti. Snegavasti, you can lie down because motion will not come. And 30 matras for Nirugavasti because immediately he wants to go to the toilet. Now rooms with the toilet is available. Ancient time toilet may not be available nearby. Probably they may have to go to some other back places, coconut trees and all. So it's a big problem. So the toilet should not contain put, the lock. Put illada bathroom இருக்கணும். அதனால தான் நம்ம ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல வசதி ரூம்ல பாத்ரூமுக்கு தாழ்பா கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இவன் உள்ள போய் மோஷன் போயிட்டு ஒரு ஷாக் வந்து பொத்துன்னு மயங்கி எழுந்தா டாக்டருக்கு உள்ள போக முடியும். டாக்டர் வெளியில இருந்து ஐயோ அம்மா அப்பான்னு சத்தம் போட்டு பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை. அதனால உள்ள பூட்டு இல்லாம இருக்கிறது நல்லது. So wait for few minutes before the patient regains his routine. Matravasti also Kashyapa says Hina Matra, Madhyama Matra, Uttama Matra. Vasti, we will be 3 vastis are given. In Yoga Vasti, 5 Anuvasanam and 3 Nirugam. The first Nirugam is Utkleshanam, second is Doshagaram, third is Samanam. Utkleshanam, Doshagaram, Samanam. The treatment of Vada should end in Brahmana. Vadam is Ruksha. The treatment of Vada should end in Snehanam. That is why the last Vasti is always Snegavasti. You see that? It's very important. Shamanam is a wonderful thing. One fellow came. I told him, what will you give for Shamanam for Vadavittam? He told, for Vadavittam Shamanam, I will be selecting Madhura Rasa. I will be giving Yashti Madhu. Then I asked him, if Vadavitta Roga, if you want to give Rasayanam, what will you give? He told, Shadavari Rasayanam, Gokshura Rasayanam, Kushmanda Rasayanam, Valibalanam Sreshtam, Kushmandam Vadavitta. So Rasayanam, he told he will be giving Madhura Rasa. So one fellow told for Shamanam Madhura Rasa, another fellow told for Rasayanam Madhura Rasa. So for Vadavitta, Shamanam and Rasayanam are one and same. You see that? See the beauty? Only an Ayurvedic doctor will be able to understand it. That is why Snehanam, Sodhanam, Samanam. That's the 3 ways the Vasti is going. So this depend the Kafanabandam, Vadanabandam, Kafanabandam, Vadanabandam, Pittanabandam, Krisadegi, Vadanabandam. So these Vastis are done, and this Kashyapa says 24 Anuvasanas for Karma Vasti, Kala Vasti. Actually, there is no need to finish the number. Many people are telling number is important. In Ashtanga Sangraha, they are mentioning. There is a doctor called Mousni Manogar from Kottakkal, very brilliant doctor. She did a study. That is, 9 o'clock she gave first Vasti, 900 ml. 10 o'clock another Vasti. 11 o'clock another Vasti. On the same day, 3 Niruga Vasti. She observed Samyak Niruga Lakshana. We do not observe Samyak Niruga Lakshana. Like somebody in petrol bunk putting a petrol, we insert the president and go, fill it, shut it, forget it. And we go like that. We should not do like that. We should assess the Niruga Lakshanam. That is why yesterday I told the Samyak Niruga Lakshanam for Snega Vasti and Snega Vanam are one and say. So if somebody, if you want to give Snegana in autism, we cannot, this fellow cannot take the Grida. So you can give Brahmi Grida as Vasti, because it is another mode of giving the Snega. One fellow came with the hiccup and he could not take any of the medicine internally. So we give the same medicine with made as a Vasti, and we give. Immediately there was relief in the retractable hiccup. That's one of the experience. We will be sharing lot of experiences. So Vadam, one Vasti with Ushnavirya Dravyas, Pittam 2 Vastis, Kafam 3 Vastis with hot irritant drugs. The more Anuvasanam will be coming for Vada, more Nirugam will be coming for Kafa. I told wrongly, this is only told in Bangasena. Paste of Pushta, Tambula should be mixed and given to drink along with Navanidam, which due to its Ushna Guna, Tikshna Guna and Virejana property will help the given enema material to move downwards. Paste of Trivrit and Hariragi taken with cow's urine helps in the downward movement of Vayu. So Makshigam, Lavanam, Snegam, Kalkam, Vadam. And Makshigam, it's Madhura Rasa, Kashaya Rasa, Kafachedana, Ruksha Guna, Ushna Virya, Kafakara, Vranasodana. So erosions in the colon will not happen. The pH is acidic pH. It absorbs moisture. It speeds up healing. It is hydrophilic, tendency to mix with water, and it can form emulsion. It has got antibacterial property due to its acidic nature and enzymatically produced hydrogen peroxide. So that is why honey is selected. Honey is Yoga Vagi. Samskarasya Anuvartanam and Yoga Vagi. You should not confuse. When a drug, when it is mixed with other drug, it should not lose its own property. At the same time, adhere and enhance the property of the thing to which it is added. Sukshma Marga Anusarina. Sukshma is one of the qualities in Snegavana. Because as it is Sukshma, Kalyanaga Gridam, it goes to brain. Mastulunga Sadrisham Gridam. That is why Dravya Samanyam, Gridavanam is given in Medya. Moreover, anything which is fat soluble can cross blood-brain barrier. You see that? Anything which can cross blood-brain barrier is Medya. Medyam is Tikta Skanda. You have Tikta Medyam, Madhura Medyam. Tikta Medyam, Pitta Kapasamanam. Madhura Medyam, Vada Pitta Samanam. Madhura Medyam, Pushmandam. Tikta Medyam, Brahmi. Brahma's wife is Brahmi. Brahmi is Saraswati. So Saraswati is giving. We are giving Saraswati. When the Saraswati inside is lost, we supply Saraswati from outside. So in Manorogas, not even a single Kashayam is mentioned. How do Acharyas know? 22 Gridas are mentioned in total. Do you see that? Kalyanagam, Mahakalyanakam, Panchagavyam, Mahapanchagavyam, Hingu Sauvarchaladi, Brahmikridam, Saraswatam, Mahasaraswatam, Chedasam, Mahachetasam, Ashtadasa Kushmanda Gridam. So many Grida yogas. So Gridam, the honey is amphiphilic. Honey, we have to cover so many things. Saindavam contains 21 essential items, 98% sodium chloride. NaCl is readily absorbed in the colon and it only make the colon to contract. Saindavam generates the action potential at the microvilli by producing an osmotic gradient and useful in regulating acid-alkaline balance. How amlena saka samyuktaha satishna lavano rasaga madhuryam bhajate atyartham tishna vavam vimunjadi, maintaining osmosis and activation of ATP phase, removes excess acidity and generate hydroelectric energies and useful for nerve cell communication. So Lavanam is Vada Shamanam, Lavanam is Snigdha Vardhanam, Lavanam is Pitta Vardhanam, Lavanam is Kapha Vardhanam, Lavanam is Abhishandi. Saindavam is an exception. It comes from Sindhu Desha. Basti Taila Bhagam, Chikkana Bhagam. Bhagam is important to decide the pH value. It helps in the formation of emulsion, lubrication, therapeutic values. And Kalkam is the accessor, buffer. Kalkam removes ama. Anything can be used as a Kalka. Vaishwanaram Kalkam, Shaddaranam Kalkam, Hingavachadi Kalkam, Pudiyavani Paravilvagushtai. The Kalkam told in Balaguduchadi is Samanya Kalkam. Everybody is telling Sadakva as a Kalkam. And the question arises whether you can filter the Vasti Dravya. Chakravarti says you have to filter the Vasti Dravya. Some people say you should not filter the Vasti Dravya and we have to give as it is. Otherwise the Sadakva will go and enter into the diverticulum and produce diverticulitis, drug-induced diverticulitis, drug-induced colitis. So that is the reason why filtering is essential. This question was asked in 11th century. You should understand that. And there are a lot of things. Many people add Makshigam Lavanam. Makshigam Lavanam, even if it is not told in Vasti, you have to add in all the Vastis. Madanavaram, if it is not told in Vasti, you have to add it in all the Vastis. Kshira Vasti, will you add Makshigam and Lavanam? Arunadatta has got one opinion. Chakravarti has got another opinion. We will see that. Then it is Viruddham. How will you add Lavanam in the salt? It is a Viruddham. The answer is Lasuna Kshira Bhagam is told in Gulma. Lasuna's Kshira Bhagam is given in Gridrasi. Lasuna Kshira Bhagam is given in Vishamajvaram. They are Vishesha Palasrudi. Lasunam plus Kshiram is Viruddham. Viruddham is applicable to Adharam. Viruddham is not applicable to Aushadam. Chakravarti. So this Viruddham is Vasti, we can give that. Vasti, Tailam, Tailam and honey, Gridam and honey in Vasti. So these are all the varieties that exist. Mamsarasam, protein value. This is very, very important, my dear students. After the Samsarjana Krama, after Vamana, after Virejana, you will be giving Mandam, Peya, Vilevi, Akrida Yusham, Krida Yusham, Akrida Mamsarasam, normal diet. Understand it very carefully. Mandam, Peya, Vilevi, Akrida Yusham, Krida Yusham, Akrida Mamsarasam, normal bhojan. This is what our acharyas have told. Simple starch, glucose, complex glucose, fructose, simple protein, complex protein, unsaturated fat, saturated fat, normal diet. See the beauty. Acharyas didn't think about it. That is why I tell Samsardana Kriya is second Annaprasana to a patient. As I told yesterday, fatty liver is a self-created snega vyavad. So simple glucose, complex glucose, fructose, simple protein, complex protein, unsaturated fat, saturated fat. But Basti directly you go for. Whether Snegavanam is needed, if our Basti, Chakravani says, those who are taking Snegavanam are contraindicated for Basti. Gomutram, Leganam. Gomutram, good Gomutram should be there. Otherwise, it may produce leptospirosis like conditions. I'm telling. So, one Pudavam, 200 ml, and Gomutram is having a lot of things. They found that Gomutram contains erythropoietin, which is very much reduced in renal disease. So, Gomutram is a Tadarthagari Chikitsa in Malasanchaya Rogas and Madanabala. Madanabala helps in the pH. Every Vasti, Susruta says, one Madanabala has to be added. Then Avabam, that is Devadarvadi Churnam for Avabam. It is powdered and kept in the hospital. So they add 1 spoon of Devadarvadi Churnam in Nirugam. Majja. Majja is not selected for Basti. Usage of Majja in Basti is contraindicated by Chakrabani. Vasa is indicated, Thailagridam is indicated. Majja is extracted directly by crushing the big bones. Other method is to cook bones and extract Majja from it. It is not so difficult to preserve the extract Majja and do Anuvasanam, but textually contraindicated. Vasa is scrapped from the meat and momentum. We heat it in a pan and melt. If you cannot use Vasa and Majja in Yoni Brahmsam or in Asti Saushirium, osteoporosis, what you have to do? You have to buy Mahasnegam, this Tekatu moose and all they are making. Bhadradarvadi Kashaya, Tailam, Gridam, Vasa, Majja. So these 4 items are there. So Asti Majjagade Mahasnego, you can buy Mahasnega and mixes as a snega in conditions like demyelination, motor neuropathy recovery, transverse myelitis, cerebellar ataxia, where Asti Majjagade Mahasnego. Now you see this, how Vasa is prepared. Vasa has to be melted. Now you see Majja is prepared. And you see, Mamsarasam is prepared. Mamsam is added with 4 parts of water, cooked in a vessel and reduced to 1/4 and filtered and used. Mamsarasam in Basti, how to make Mamsarasam. And Mandana, that is, Basti should be mixed well with a stirred thoroughly in a patra with a stirrer, kaja, in a homogeneous solution. Madhu and Saindava added, it becomes homogeneous. Then Snegam is added, then again you mix, then Kalkam is added, again you mix. Actually, you have to heat water in a vessel. When steam comes, you have to hold the pot in that. Steam should be touching the pot. Then you have to mix. Practically difficult. According to Dalhana, it should be done vigorously. The length of the kaja should be 5 angulas according to Kashyapa, and this is how it is mixed. And nowadays, we use it in mixing. There is nothing wrong in mixing the Vasti Dravyas in mixi. Kottakkal has done lot of study. According to Kashyapa, honey is poured first, Pichila, Bavalatva, Kashayada, salt is added after honey, and then followed by Snega, Kalka, and addition Mutra. These things are added. Electric mixer method has added advantage of less manpower, greater hygiene, easy preparation, less time consuming than conventional method. Vasti Dravyas prepared by mixer method is a better preparation than conventional method indicated by physiochemical parameters. We have assessed low viscosity, high fat content, better dissolved solids, low specific gravity. All these parameters contribute hygiene, the pure quality of Dravya. So after Vasti, features of correct Vasti preparation: it should not wet the hand, it should not stick to the fingers, it should not create any clot, it should not be excessively thick, considering Vasti Dravyas as a multi-phase emulsion. Emulsion tend to have a cloudy appearance. So Dwadasha Prasurda Vasti, Niruga Vasti, 1.2 liter. And in every Vasti you can add milk, Amla Dravya, Mamsarasa, Nutra, like that, based on the Yukti. You can Yukti Sriyojana, and Charaka tells a view, Susruta tells another view. So in Vasti, practically what Vastis we will be giving? Practically in low back ache, if the low back ache, Kadigragam, Vada Pradanya Kadigragam, Pitta Pradanya Kadigragam, Kava Pradanya Kadigragam, Vada Pradanya Kadigragam, facet arthropathy, lumbar spondylosis, osteoporosis, Pitta Pradanya Kadigragam, ankylosing spondylitis, Kapha Pradanya Kadigragam, acute disc prolapse, paresthesia, Kada equina syndrome. Vada Pradanya Kadigragam, Kshiravasti, Gandharvastadi Kashayam, make it into Shira and give Kshiravasti. Pitta Pradanya Kadigragam, Eshti Madhugalka, give Madhu Adi. In Kapha Pradanya Kadigragam, give Aidaranavasti, Sharavasti, Yerandamuladi Nirugavasti. So, Kadigragam also, Yakrutrogam also, Kapha Pradanya Yakrutrogam, fatty liver, Pitta Pradanya Yakrutrogam, hepatitis, Vada Pradanya Yakrutrogam, that is fibrosis, cirrhosis. Kapha Pradanya Yakrutrogam, you will be giving Tippali. Pitta Pradanya Yakrutrogam, you will be giving Guduchi. Vada Pradanya Yakrutrogam, you will be giving Drakshadi. Cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, spondylolisthesis, osteoporosis, Tiktarasena Kshiragridad Deshadam. Why Arunadatta says this? We will talk later. Guggulidiktaka Manuvasanam, Negrodadi Gana Siddha Kshiravasti, Priyanguvadi Gana Siddha Kshiravasti, Paget's disease, SLE you will be giving Guduchiadi Gana Siddha Kshiravasti, motor neuron disease, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Nagi Vasti Samam Kinjit, Vadarakta Chikisidam, Ardhamatrika Vasti, neurological deficit, Dvibanja Vasti, peripheral vascular disease, TAO, Ksharavasti, and CVA, stroke, Dvibanja Vasti, ulcerative colitis, Pichavasti, irritable bowel syndrome, Takravasti, spastic colon, Pipalyadivasti, uterine fibroids, Ksharavasti, infertility, Yabanavastis. Okay, with that, we finished this class. I don't think we will be able to finish Vasti within 3 days. Vasti, we will talk and talk and talk. And let us see when it ends. When it ends, let it end. And just Niruvam only, indication only we have come. So we will wait now. We will have question answer session. Hema?
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please share Yakrit Roga as per Doshik dominance.
There are certain diseases where dosha-wise classification is not told in the text. For example, in the Swasa, They have told Mahaswasa, Chinna Swasa, Tamaka Swasa, Pratamaka Swasa, Urdhva Swasa, Chudra Swasa. For Mahaswasa and Chinna Swasa, there is no treatment. Treatment starts with Tamagam, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Agnidevanam, Anulomanam, Tamagedu Viredanam. Mahaswasam is cortical, Chinna Swasam is medullary. That is why one eye is red. Ipsilateral cranial palsy with contralateral hemiplegia producing respiratory distress syndrome. That is Chinna Swasam. Then Tamaka Swasam, bronchial asthma. Pratamaka Swasam, bronchial asthma with infection. Urdhva Swasam, hyperventilation. And Chudra Swasam, psychological dyspnea. You see this cortical, subcortical, hypothalamic, respiratory, lungs, hyperventilation, and mind. This is how it is beautifully classified. So when you see the liver diseases, actually the disease starts with avarana and ends in dadukshay. In Jwaram also it starts with kapha, it ends with vata. So fatty liver, kapha pradhanyam. So kapham, the agriya aushadam is kadurasa, Budavitpali, Gomutra Haridagi. Then Pittam, hepatitis, autoimmune hepatitis, jaundice, Dikta Rasam, Shodana Diktam, Samana Diktam, Shodana Diktam, Padavala, Samana Diktam, Guduchi, Bunimba. So, Kapapradhani Ekrutrogam, Pittapradhani Ekrutrogam, then Vadapradhani Ekrutrogam, cirrhosis, heart shrinks and the margin becomes Vishama, irregular, where you will be giving Mridvigadi, Drakshadi, etc. This is the Doshi classification of Yekrit Roga.
Sir, okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, how to do Takra Basti, its preparation?
Takravasti references are minimal. Only in Charaka Samhita, Siddhisthanam, Roga Vishakjidiyam, Astyayam, in Basti Yoni, it is mentioned. Makshigam, Lavanam, Snegam. In Snegam, we will be adding Charngeria the Gridam, Kalkam. Kalkam, we will be adding Ashtajurma. Then in Kashaya, we will be adding Takra. This is how Takravasti is done. It is given in irritable bowel syndrome, Grahani, etc.
Okay, sir.
Vada Grahani.
Okay, sir.
Muhurbaddam, Muhurdravam.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the nice explanation, sir. Sir, outside Kashayas, internally, that is, I think the person is asking, Kashayas which we use for internal treatment, no, sir, that can be used for Basti. That is the question, sir.
All the Kashayas are used, but you should be careful about Guguladiktakam and Varunadi because they contain Balladagam. If Balladagam produces allergy, it is a problem. We have seen allergy with Guguladiktakam in Anuvasana. So Guguladiktakam, Varunadi, Narasimham, Kangayanam, Bagusalam, Saptasamakuliga, all these things contains Balladagam. Whenever Balladagam is there, Ushna Jala Anubanam is contraindicated, Shida Jala Anubanam is indicated. So eating Guguladiktakam and giving Basti is practically not correct. You can select Amrudottaram, you can select Gandharvastadi, you can select Guduchyadi, you can select Brihatyadi, no problem. But if you select medicines with Balladagam, Tuvaragam, you should be careful.
Okay, sir. Sir, and at present condition, patient feels hunger at 11:30. So, at that time, what to do during Niruha Basti?
You do it little earlier. You can give little idiyappam or something because in Chakradatta, while talking about Vaidarana Vasti and Kshara Vasti, they have done, even though they are Kashaya Vasti, little bit of food can be given in the early morning. The most important commentary of Chakradatta is Ratna Prabha by Nishalakara. So it clearly mentions. So you can give little bit of food if he is a Pitta Prakriti, diabetic patient, insulin dependent patient, and you can always do the Vasti by 10:30.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That was a very practical tip, sir, given by you. Sir, juvenile Vasti Yantra, 200 ml Vasti Yantra, where it is available, sir, please share.
All this juvenile Vasti, you go to medical shop and get infantile enema. You push down the material inside, put it in hot water and take it out. And you buy one Vasti Yandra and use it for one person. Then the other two Yandras, it is available in laboratory supplies. In Kanyakumari district is available. Then it must be available in Chennai, Coimbatore and all.
Okay, sir. Sir, share your cleaning experience without filtering giving Vasti, whether there was any complication.
Irritation and pain, spasmodic colon, intermittent evacuation were there. Tenesmus was there. Peri-umbilical pain was there. In early part of my clinical career, I did. Now I stopped. Now I filter.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the Vasti for Grahani, sir?
Sakravasti with Charngeryadi Gridam. Then Pichavasti, Priyanguvadi Ganavasti, Ambashtadi Ganavasti.
Sir, Ambashtadi Ganavasti, like what is the main ingredient, sir?
Ambashtam is Masikai. Tamil it is called Majikai, Majigam. Ambalangai.
Okay, sir. Sir, Pichavasti indications and the methods, sir?
Pichavasti, Pichilavasti, actually Susruta says Raktam has to be added. Nobody is adding Raktam. The indication is Raktadisaram. Practically we are giving in Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Ingredient we will be teaching tomorrow. Pichavasti I am planning to teach elaborately. Machigam, Lavanam, Snegam, Kalkam, Kwadam. In Kwadam we will be using Shalmali Picham. That is the main thing. Ambashtadi Ganam Kalkam.
Sir, in rectal abscess, can Pichavasti be given, sir?
No. That approach is Chedanam, you know. The physician remove the pus and give Vidradi Chikisa, Trayandyadi Kashayam, Trifala Gugulu, Kalyana Gulam, Nitya Varejanam. Like that, you have to do that. Andar Vidradi Chikisa has to be done.
Okay, sir. Sir, please explain Gulma and Udavarta if possible.
Tomorrow we will do that. Tomorrow it is coming. Because I am going to teach Vasti in every disease, starting from Jaram, what Vasti, Adisaram, what Vasti, Gragani, what Vasti. Like that, 72 chapters of Madhavanidhana, we have written Vasti. That we are planning to teach. I don't know whether time will be there.
Okay, sir. Sir, in Samsarjana Krama, how many meals should be given per day?
Huh?
In Samsarjana Krama, how many meals should be given per day?
How?
How many meals?
How many meals? 2 times. In ancient India, 2 times. 11 o'clock, 6:30.
Okay, sir. Sir, please repeat Katigraha according to Doshic dominance.
Vadapradhanya Kadigraha, lumbar spondylosis, facet arthropathy, osteoporosis. Pitta Pradhanya Kadigraha, ankylosing spondylitis, sacroiliitis. Kapha Pradhanya Kadigraha, acute disc prolapse, cauda equina syndrome, conus medullaris, foraminal root compression.
Sir, how many max Kashaya Vastis can be given for Vata Roga?
Maximum.
Maximum Kashaya Vastis for Vata Roga, sir.
Kashayavasti, 12 Kashayavastis.
12 Kashaya Vastis.
30, 18 plus 12, 18 Anuvasanam and 12 Nirugam.
Okay, sir. Sir, where we will use Sramsana, Vedana, Rechana, Anulomana in Dhatugata Mala level.
Yesterday I thought about it. Anulomanam takes 12 hours, works on whole colon. Sramsanam, Vedanam, Rechanam, 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours. Mrudukoshtam, Anulomanam, Krurakoshtam, Rechanam, like that. Mrudutaram, Mrudutamam. krurataram, kruratamam, samamadhyamam, kafamadhyamam, sannivadamadhyamam. Like that we have to divide and select.
Okay, sir.
Madhyam, two madhyams are there.
Sir, in Kshiravasti, we have to add Saindava or not?
Chakravani says you should add, Arunadatta says you should not add, we should not add, we don't add. Practically, there is no need to add.
Okay, sir. Sir, but
Because it is a Yapana Vasti. Yapanam is Brahmanam, Yapanam is Vajigaranam, Yapanam is given in Vriddham. Vriddhatvam Kshira Gridayana. So Lavanam has got no role there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, in Avrita and Avrana, which dosha should be treated first?
That which blocks should be treated first.
Okay, sir. Sir, you told Snehapanam is Viruddham for doing Vasti. What is the logic? So what preparation to be done before Kashaya Vasti?
Lubrication should happen in Kolam. So Snega Vasti is better than Snega Pana. Purpose of Snega Panam is different, bringing doshas from Shaka to Koshta, Samayottan Prayogena Sukamva Koshta Maniyet, Nyatva Koshta Prabannancha Yadasannam Vinirjare. Here already it is accumulated. You do Utkleshanam, Doshakaram Samanam. The principle is different.
So what are the ingredients of Ksharavasti?
We will teach tomorrow. Ksharavasti and Vaidaranavasti. Chakradatta Vasti Prakaranam, it is told. We will be teaching that. Makshigam, instead of Makshigam, Sarkara, Lavanam is there. Thailam, Sarshava Thailam. Kalkam, Puli, Chinja, Kashaya, Gomutra. This is Ksharavasti. Gomutram is not available. Kulatta Kashayam is used.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am asking a personal question, sir. Sir, what is the, like, apart from Matra Vasti, what Vasti can we do in OPD level, sir, if we don't have a hospital? Or
Madhudeligam, Kshiravasti, Madhudeligam, nothing will happen.
Okay, sir.
OPD, Kshiravasti, Madhudeligam.
But the patient...
Only Yarandamuladi Nirugam Gomutra Vasti, you should be careful. 900 ml of Matra Vasti, 400 ml of Kshira Vasti, 900 ml of Madhudeliga Vasti. Nothing will happen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But Patyam and Ahara Viharas, all the patient should follow correctly, no, sir?
What? You ask them to bring the meal after the Vasti, you take him bath, give the food and let him go.
Okay, sir.
Yuktarada Vasti were mentioned. People were traveling in chariot, they took Vasti and they travel again. Yuktarada Vasti.
Okay, sir. So, Prasruta in meanings of Basti, sir. What do you mean by
100
Prasruta?
100 ml. 2
100
palas.
Okay, sir. Sir, Snehapana and Niruha Basti can be given simultaneously?
No.
Sir, in multiple sclerosis, what is the best possible Basti which we can give?
Dvibanja Muladi.
Vibanja Muladi.
Second Vasti Ashtanga Hridayam Kalpasthanam.
Okay, sir.
Sarva Anilabhagam Param.
Okay, sir. I think lots of questions are coming on, sir.
You ask, no problem.
Sir, but in Shushruta, it is said Basti is nacha dvipalam. But it's not 2 palas, no, sir, in Shushruta Samhita. So how can you explain that quote, sir?
This I do not remember. I will read and come to know. What is that?
In Shushruta Samhita, Basti is nacha dvipalam.
Where it is told?
I think somebody has raised that question, sir, in Shushruta
Ask them
Samhita.
to ask clearly. I don't think I have read it. I will refer and come. I don't know this.
Okay,
I don't remember.
Okay.
Susruta I read, this I don't remember.
So what is the difference between Yapana Vasti and Yukta Rata Vasti?
Almost same. Almost same. Siddha Vasti, all are Siddha Vasti.
Okay, sir.
Brahmana Vastis. Working on Shukradada. Ekavasti is enough. No Vyabhar. Snehanam is not needed. Anuvasanam is not needed. Paschat Karvam is not needed. Ashtamahadoshagara bhavas, it can be given. Reference Uttaravasti Siddhi, Siddhisthanam, 12th chapter.
Okay, sir. Which rakta is practically used in Pichavasti?
No, it is not used.
It is not used.
Jamnagar, they have done some study. It is not needed when the transfusion and other things have come, cross matching and other things have come, taking animals and finding with Garba. It's very difficult. Academically, we have done once, but not in routine practice.
Okay, sir. So for autism, you told no, sir. We can do Vasti with Brahmi Kritam.
I told an example. Brahmi, Kalyanagam, Vada Pradhanyam, Kalyanagam, Pitta Pradhanyam, Brahmi, Kapha Pradhanyam, Panchagarbhyam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So today's session, like everybody posted the feedback, like they want class daily and not monthly 3 months, monthly 3 days. And everybody are posting some other topics also for you.
What are all the topics they have asked, Emma?
I think infertility, sir. PCOS.
Wonderful.
And basics of all churnas, dravyas, dravadravyas, preparations, etc.
I promise that I will take these classes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. In spite of your busy schedule, you're just so eager to take classes for us, sir. Like I think we are blessed to have you in this session, sir. I think we are more blessed to have you. So everybody wants guna karmas, triguna, basics of Ayurveda, and somebody asked like, sir, can you explain us how to understand Ayurveda in a better way?
I will take classes. I promise you that I will take classes on the topics you have mentioned. You can believe my words.
And not for me, sir, for many people, I think it's a dream come true, sir, to speak with you. So connect with connectivity and to do a hosting and to speak to you is like dream come true for me, sir. Actually,
I have been seeing you. You are doing wonderful work. I am very happy. I actually wanted to meet you and talk to you. I am very happy about that. And anybody, those who are having any question, any doubt, any clinical clarification, always reach me. I am a very simple, humble person. No ego problem, nothing. Yeah, whatever I know, I am ready to share with you. Get my email address and phone number from the organizers. If you need anything, you ask me. I will be happy to help you. Namaste, everybody. Thank you, Ilanjadian sir. Thank you, Hema. Namaste.
That's so nice of you, sir. That's so nice of you. Thank you for this wonderful session, sir. And we are eagerly awaiting for tomorrow's session also, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Tomorrow we will meet.
I request Dr. Devi.
Uttaravasti is there. So many Vastis are there. I don't think we will finish tomorrow. We will continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I request Dr. Devi Priya to do the vote of thanks.
Thank you all for being with us. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of IAS Kaish team. We want to express our gratitude to Honorable Speaker Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, as he has spared his precious time for us. We thank you, sir. Behind every successful program of IAS Kaish lie the mainful attempts of our organizers. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the immense contribution of our dedicated doctors. Thank you all. Sarve bhavantu shukinaka, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you,
Devi Priya. My blessings to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.